Hey guys, ever downloaded a coloring book from the internet and thought, wow, that's not it? Well, my friend, you're not alone. Today I am diving into an app which lets you create your own coloring books. It's called Coloring AI. I may or may not have turned my entire fashion photo album into a coloring adventure. So, what is this magical tool? Coloring AI is an online app that helps you generate printable coloring book pages from images or text. Yes, whether you are a toddler who loves dinosaurs, a preschooler into ponies, or an adult who low-key wants to color floral mandala while sipping coffee. This app is something for everyone. And no shade to the old school coloring books, but this one lets you be your own creative boss. First off, let's talk about their pre-designed templates. You got categories like preschooler and toddler themes, teen and adult illustrations, animals, mandalas, object, you name it. Click, download, print, boom. You got a ready-to-go coloring book page in your hand. Great for teachers, parents, or just weekend Zen seekers. Now here comes the fun part. Image to coloring page feature. And this is where I went full on Project Runway. I always dreamed of coloring fashion images growing up. But guess what? There were zero cool fashion coloring books. Fast forward to now, hello, Coloring AI, where I uploaded actual fashion garments and bam, it turned them into chic black and white coloring book pages. Like seriously, mood board meets coloring therapy. So how does it actually work? Upload your image, choose the page ratio, square, portrait, landscape. Select how many versions you want and hit generate. That's it. You now have a printable coloring page. You can download it as an PNG or a PDF. Want to color digitally? Click color online and you are in a paint bucket paradise with tools like brush, eraser, fill. Let's say you're feeling lazy or just want to go eco-friendly. You can literally sit with your iPad and color these online. Brush sizes, color palette, undo button for when you've gone rogue with neon orange. Double it, surprisingly satisfying, kid approved and adult centered. So I went beyond fashion silhouettes. I wanted to see if this thing could handle accessory detail. I tried a complex handbag with texture and drama, and it nailed it. Perfect for detailed focused folks or people who want to color every little detail. Next, I tried footwear with straps, heels, and all the jazz. It actually retained all the details and gave an image with clean outlines. Now, if you're feeling ambitious, like I want to make a whole coloring book ambitious, try their text to coloring book feature. You type a prompt, a whimsical garden with fairies and mushrooms, and the coloring AI goes, say less, and delivers a fresh coloring page. Want 10 pages? No problem. It will batch generate those pages based on the description. Say goodbye to the artist block and hello to your own publication. Alright, real talk. What makes a good image for this? Go for high resolution pics. Clean, clutter-free backgrounds, bold edges, clear lighting. Avoid blurry screenshots or overly shadowed selfies, unless you want your coloring book to look like a haunted sketchpad. This app is perfect for artists building interactive portfolios, teachers creating customized worksheets, parents who need 15 minutes of peace, entrepreneurs who are making personalized merchandise. Me, just me, because I love coloring fashion. You can even build niche coloring books like high heel edition, kawaii foot faces, street style collection and sell them on Etsy. Just saying. Verdict time. Coloring AI is 10 on 10 for creativity, ease and just pure fun. If you're 5 or 50, this app lets you color your imagination into reality. And for fashion folks like me, this is something which we always needed. So if you loved this video, drop some color into the comments. Like and subscribe for more creative tech reviews and let me know what you want to turn into a coloring page next. A cat, a castle, your favorite sandwich? I'm curious. Until then, stay colorful, stay curious and keep creating.